Hi YouTube, this is Mr. Boss now, and this is gonna be my first ever YouTube unboxing video. And what I got here is something from eBay. As you can see, I already opened it just the same time. And this cost me 12 bucks on eBay, plus well, shipping was free, but yeah. Let's get into the first one. The first one is a mil-spec knife. I got the gun because I was gonna sell it to my friend. As you can see, got some quite a weight to it, but it's good to like knock somebody out, right? Alright. And then if I open it like that. Most people think that you pull from the trigger, but really, it's really nothing, see? It's nothing. Well, I got this one for 10 bucks. The other one was 12 bucks, sorry. And it's pretty sharp, pretty good quality. Stainless steel. You can see right there. Let me just focus. Stainless steel. Alright, I'm gonna put that aside. Let's move on to the next one. This one I got because I thought it looked cool. It's the Bone Edge knife. And this one is made in China, just like the other one. Let me just open this. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. Alright, as you can see, it's really big. You got a clip to hold to your belt. Alright, and it's pretty big. It's bigger than that. Let me just show you a comparison. A water bottle. It's way bigger than a water bottle. See? Way bigger than a water bottle. Well, thanks guys. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for your cooperation.